Hey guys, how are you? I'm sure you guys are doing great. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to explain you about the Inter-VLAN concept. So what is Inter-VLAN concept? How to configure it? Before configure, we'll need to understand the complete concept of Inter-VLAN. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about all the details related to VLAN, Inter-VLAN concept, right? So watch this video guys till end. My name is Manjit Singh and you are watching your own channel Tech Guru Manjit English. So guys, now we are on a computer. Let me explain you what is Inter-VLAN concept, right? Let's take an example. This I have a switch number 1. I have another switch. Let's say it's a switch number 2. Some computer are connected with your switch number 1. Let's 3 computer connected with say, switch number 1, and 3 computer we have connected with switch number 2, right? And both these switches are connected like this. So this computer belong to, let's name the computer first. This is A computer, B computer, C computer, D computer, E computer and F computer, right? So this A computer belongs to VLAN 10, B computer belongs to VLAN 11, C computer belongs to, let's say, VLAN 12, right? Same way in the switch number 2, D computer belongs to VLAN 10, or E computer belongs to VLAN 11 and F computer belongs to VLAN 12. But now in this network, the communication is on a layer 2 because both these switches are layer 2. It is manageable or manageable, of course, right? So layer 2 devices can only transfer data with the help of MAC address, right? So if switch number 1 A computer wants to send some data to switch number 2 D computer, that is possible on a layer 2 because both the computers D and A, they belongs to same VLAN, which is VLAN 10. But in order to say, for example, A computer wants to send some data to E computer or maybe a F computer, because A computer belongs to VLAN 10 and E and F computer belongs to some different VLAN, which is 11 and 12. On layer 2 this is not possible because the both the switches are only able to understand the MAC address, right? So these are actually different networks when we configure on different VLAN in the network. So basically a computer VLAN 10 is a different network, VLAN 11 is a different network, VLAN 12 is a different network. Whenever we need to communicate in between two or multiple different network, we need a device which can understand layer 3. Layer 3 means the IP address. So what are the devices which we can use to configure the Inter-VLAN? Either you can use the switch number layer 3 switch, which is again a switch but it understands the MAC and IP both, or you can use the router to configure Inter-VLAN because router always work with the help of IP address. So in the next video, I'm going to give you show you practical configuration on basis of router, but you can use a switch, layer 3 switch as well, right? So how we are going to configure, let's say this is our router, right? This is our router. We have two options. Either we can connect both the switches directly to router, that is also possible, or we can connect any of these switch directly with single VLAN, a single link, right? So what we have to do is we have to configure, we have to create a virtualization here on this particular router. So we need to configure VLAN 10, VLAN 11, VLAN 12 on this particular router. The moment you will configure these VLANs on router interface, of course, after that, say for example, now once you configured, after that, if A computer wants to send some data to computer E, so because E computer belongs to some different VLAN, so the data will directly reach to a switch because only understand the MAC address, so it will forward that particular frame to a router. Router read the header information and it will check the routing table. It will check the routing table, right? Whenever we configure a VLAN on a router, always a router create a routing table, add that all the entries into a routing table. So based on that routing information, it will resend that data to switch number 1, because we are only connected with this switch number 1. Now switch number 1 will understand, okay, where to transfer that data. It will send data to switch number 2. Now switch number 2 will read that particular header information, and it will redirect that data to computer E. So that's how inter-VLAN configuration and the concept is work in the layer 2 and layer 3 environment. So guys, I hope you guys understood now how inter-VLAN concept actually work. In the next video, I'm going to do a practical configuration to show you how you can configure inter-VLAN concept on a router. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Whenever I will upload a new video, you will get notified. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.